This area is about 2 kilometers away from the official United Nations camps, which are said to be overcrowded and at breaking point. They say they have no room for any of the recent arrivals. People here have come in the past few days and set up along the roadsides and anywhere they can find space, often out in the open. Those who can make their own shelters, but what you're mostly seeing is little children, families sitting outside under the skies. And now with the rain starting, there is concern of disease. Many people here have little food, water, or even sanitation, and aid agencies are warning that the spread of disease could be a serious issue. They're also warning that this situation is going to get worse, with people here telling me that every day 5,000 to 10,000 people are arriving, and the United Nations is warning that another 100,000 people are waiting to cross the border into Bangladesh. Now, Bangladesh says they cannot be held responsible for the refugees here. They say they're overwhelmed and they're asking for international help.